The rib cage is made up of three main parts: the ribs, the sternum, and the thoracic vertebrae. There are 12 pairs of ribs which can be divided into three: the true ribs, the false ribs, and the floating ribs. The first 7 pairs are called the true ribs because they connect directly to the sternum through their own costal cartilage. The next 3 pairs are called false ribs. This is because they are connected to the sternum indirectly through the costal cartilage of the ribs above. The last 2 pairs, that is ribs 11 and 12, are known as the floating ribs because they don't connect to the sternum. The sternum, also known as the breastbone, is a flat, elongated bone located in the center of the chest. It is made up of 3 parts: the manubrium, the body, and the xiphoid process. The manubrium is the top part where the clavicles or collarbones and the first 2 pairs of ribs connect. Below that, there is the body of the sternum where most ribs attach. And finally, at the bottom is the xiphoid process. The ribs are anchored to the spine by the 12 thoracic vertebrae located in the upper and mid-back. Each rib connects to a corresponding vertebra, forming a sturdy, flexible structure that supports breathing. In summary, the rib cage is made up of 12 pairs of ribs, the sternum, and the thoracic vertebrae.